Always remember to wash your hands regularly with soap and water for at least 20 seconds. Remember to wipe surfaces often. Only leave home if you are healthy. And wear a fabric mask in public covering your mouth and nose. Don't touch your eyes, mouth or nose with unwashed hands. And cough or sneeze into your elbow or use a tissue. Keep a distance of 1.5 meters between you and other people. Let's all work together to stay safe. Brittany, thank you for that beautiful performance. Now tell me, where does this trio come from?
Thank you, Masi. The trio most beautiful up here comes from Haydn's oratorio, Die Schöpfung, or otherwise known as the creation, as described in the book of Genesis in the Bible. The trio focuses on the fifth day of creation, where the birds and sea creatures were created. This is described by the three archangels, Gabriel, soprano, which I sing, Uriel, tenor, which Sipe sings, and Raphael, bass, which Luvo sings. An oratorio is a work performed by soloists, choir, and orchestra. Unlike opera, it is not staged, has no costumes or set design. This is how you differentiate between the two. Haydn creates a lively mood in the key of A major with the dynamic marking of moderato cantabile. Moderato refers to the tempo of singing, so not too slow and not too fast. Cantabile refers to the singing approach, which must be melodious and full of expression. This can be seen in bars 22 to 50. Gabriel describes mountains and rivers here. Legato is very important as Gabriel's up and down melody depicts the hills. The voice must be even in tone. Interestingly enough, Uriel sings the same melody. Once again, legato is very important here, as well as having an evenness in tone. Haydn has fun in the accompaniment section. It literally feels like you could hear birds singing. This is called tone painting. We now come to the basses section. And what do they love to do best? Sing their low notes. He is in contrast to the highs of the birds. He represents the depths of the ocean. Haydn's tone painting reaches a climax when singing about the Leviathan. Fun fact, the Leviathan is an ancient mythological creature surfing the waves for fun in the trio. We now come to the fun part of the trio. In bars 98 to 109, we have a question posed using an interplay between the voices. The archangels are depicting their admiration for God. For this section, here's a helpful tip. It is important to focus on your intonation, as one could very easily get lost singing here. On that final note, it is important to remember to sing the appoggiaturas, also known as grace notes, in bars 28, adorned, and bar 55, where Uriel sings the air. In terms of phrasing, singing the feminine endings will help with singing this piece stylistically as well. Because this is a classical period piece, singing without excessive vibrato is important. So instead of starting off with most beautiful up here, rather go most beautiful up here. Got it? Thank you for listening and good luck with the singing of this beautiful piece of music.
Thank you so much, Brittany. Coming up next, our final module, where we help you sing like a pro.